ancient Mesopotamia, math was an important tool used to solve problems related to agriculture, trade, and architecture. Although Mesopotamian math was highly sophisticated for its time, it was quite different from the mathematics we use today, as well as the mathematics used by the ancient Greeks. One of the most significant differences between the Mesopotamian math and modern math is the base system used for counting. Mesopotamians used a sexagesimal system which is based on the number 60, while we use a decimal system, which is based on the number 10. This meant that Mesopotamians had specific symbols for each multiple of 60, which could be combined to represent larger numbers. Another key difference between Mesopotamian math and modern math is the lack of formal algebraic notation. Mesopotamians solved equations using a process called reduction, which involved breaking down an equation into simpler parts and solving them separately. This was a highly practical method that allowed them to solve complex problems, but it was quite different from the symbolic manipulation used in modern algebra. Finally, Mesopotamian mathematics also differ from the mathematics used by the ancient Greeks in several ways. For example, Mesopotamians didn't use proofs or axioms to support their mathematical claims as the Greeks did. Instead, they relied on empirical methods and practical applications to demonstrate the validity of their mathematical techniques. Despite these differences, Mesopotamian math was a highly sophisticated and influential field that laid the groundwork for many of the mathematical concepts we use today. By developing methods for solving equations, working with fractions, and calculating area and volume, Mesopotamians made significant contribution to the development of mathematics as a whole. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this overview of Mesopotamian math.